Welcome to my channel Ganit Matrix. Today we are going to discuss the concept exact differential equation and the procedure to solve the exact differential equation, and we will solve the variety of problems on basic polynomial form, quadratic form, trigonometric and exponential form, so that you can learn zero to hero. Now, what is exact differential equation? A first order first degree differential equation dy by dx equal to f of xy is of the form m of xy plus dx plus n of xy dy equal to 0 is called exact differential equation if it satisfies the condition partial derivative of m with respect to y is equal to partial derivative of n with respect to x, that is dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. How to find out the solution? So first we check the condition for exactness. If it's satisfied, we will find the solution by using this method. First we check the exactness. Verify that dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. Now next, how to find the general solution? We identify m and integrate m with respect to x, treating y as a constant, and this is called partial integration. We are integrating m with respect to x, treating y as a constant, therefore this is called partial integration. Next, plus integrate terms of n that do not contains x with respect to y. So that means we will take the terms free from x only and set the sum equal to the constant c. Now the above can be written as, the step 2 to 4 can be written as the general solution. The general solution has the form integral m dx, have written y constant, keeping y constant, plus integral terms of n free from x, that means terms in n that do not contains x, dy equal to c is the arbitrary constant. First, basic polynomial form. Solve the differential equation x square minus ay dx plus y square minus ax dy equal to 0. And the above equation is of the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0, where m equal to x square minus ay and n equal to the coefficient of dy, which is y square minus ax. First, we check the condition for exactness. Right, dou m by dou y equal to dou by dou y of x square minus ay. So with respect to y, x constant, the differentiation 0. Now differentiation of minus ay, differentiation of y 1, and this equal to minus a. Dou n by dou x equal to dou by dou x of n is y square minus ax. With respect to x, y constant, here the differentiation 0, and this equal to, and differentiation of x is 1, therefore this equal to minus a. So both partial derivatives are equal, therefore the given equation is exact. Next, how to find out the general solution? First, we integrate m with respect to x, keeping y constant, that is important, and integral m is x square minus a by dx, and this is integration of x square x cube by 3. Just we use the formula integral x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus a, since y is constant, so ay is constant term. Ay is constant term. Integral a by dx is ay into integral dx, so that is axy. Now integrate terms of n free from x. So first we will see what are the terms that do not contains x. The only term that do not contains x in n is y term, that is y square. Now integrate with respect to y. So integration of y square y cube by 3. Now form the solution. So the solution is addition of the result obtained in step 2 and step 3, and this is x cube by 3 minus axy from the step 2 plus, and step 3, that is y cube by 3, so equal to c. So this is the solution. Now multiplying by 3, so and this is x cube minus 3axy plus y cube equal to c1. Coming to the next model, and this is the quadratic form, right, and this is the quadratic function of xy, right? So that is why we called it as quadratic form. So solve x square minus 4xy minus 2y square dx plus y square minus 4xy to minus 2x square dy equal to 0. Same thing, m equal to this coefficient of dx and n equal to coefficient of dy. First we check the condition for exactness, dou m by dou y, and this equal to, hence with respect to y, x term constant, so this is 0, and with respect to y minus 4x constant here, the second term, differentiation of y 1 minus differentiation of y square 2y, so this is minus 4y. And dou n by dou x equal to this with respect to x, y constant term, so here the differentiation 0. Same thing, we will get minus 4y minus 4x. Therefore, both partial derivatives are equal. Therefore, the equation is exact. Next, we find the general solution. First, we integrate m with respect to x, treating y constant. So, don't forget that we are doing partial integration with respect to x, keeping y constant itself. So, integral x square minus 4xy minus 2y square dx. Now, integration of x square, x cube by 3 minus, since y constant, so we write first y as it is, integration of x square by 2 minus, since y term is constant, we write 2y square as it is, integral dx is x. So, this is x cube by 3 minus 2x square y minus 2x y square. Next, integrate terms of n free from x. Now, the terms of n free from x is terms that do not contains x in n. Since this contains x, cross the term. Since this contains x, cross the term. Only term that do not contains x is y term. So, there is y square. Now, integrate with respect to y, it is y cube by 3. Now, add the solution. Add the result obtained from step 2 and step 3, and this is x cube by 3 minus 2x square y minus 2xy square from step 2 plus and y cube by 3 from step 3 equal to c. So, this is the general solution. Same thing, multiply with 3, we will get this. Example 3, now the trigonometric and exponential form which contains the exponential e power y and e power cos x and sin x. Cos x and sin x are trigonometric. So, this is a mixture of trigonometric and exponential form. So, solve e power y plus 1 into cos x dx plus e power y sin x dy equal to 0. Now, check the condition for exactness, m equal to the coefficient of dx and n equal to coefficient of dy. Dou m by dou y equal to dou by dou y of e power y plus 1 into cos x. Now, same thing here, with respect to y, x term constant, first we write cos x as it is and differentiation of e power y plus 1. Since one constant differentiation 0, differentiation of e power y is e power y itself. So, this is e power y into cos x. Same thing, dou n by dou x equal to dou by dou x of e power y into sin x. With respect to x, y term constant, so we write e power y as it is, differentiation of sin x equal to cos x. So, therefore, both partial derivatives are equal. Therefore, the given differential equation is exact. Now, find the general solution. Integrate m with respect to x. Integral e power y plus 1 into cos x dx. Since, and keeping y constant, remember that here y is constant. So, e power y plus 1, e power y is constant and 1 constant. The constant term is e power y plus 1. There is no part of integration for this. So, you must write as it is, e power y plus 1 as it is, and integrate the x term only. Integrate cos x dx. Integration of cos x is sin x. Now, terms in n that do not contains x is, there are no terms that are free from x. Therefore, we form the solution from step 2 only. So, this is e power y plus 1 into sin x equal to c. So, that is the solution. Now, example 4, form with exponential x by y, and this is the most important example because it contains exponentials only, exponentials and algebraic. Right, solve 1 plus e power x by y into dx plus e power x by y into 1 minus x by y dy equal to 0. Now, check the condition for exactness. Since m is coefficient of dx, 1 plus e power x by y. n equal to e power x by y into 1 minus x by y. Now calculate the partial derivatives. Dou m by dou y equal to dou by dou y of 1 plus e power x by y. Now one constant differentiation 0, e power dou by dou y of e power x by y. Since, and here remember that here with respect to y, constant term is x and the so the variable term is 1 by y, right? So e power, this takes the form e power ax, where a equal to 1 by y, a equal to x. Okay, so differentiation of e power x by y is e power x by y into dou by dou x of x by y, right? Dou by dou x of x by y, so dou by dou y of x by y. So with respect to y, x term constant, we write x as it is, and differentiation of 1 by y is minus 1 by y square, and this equal to minus x by y square e power x by y. Same thing, dou n by dou x equal to dou by dou x of e power x by y into 1 minus x by y. So here we use the product rule of differentiation. First one, so e power x by y into first function, right? Product rule of differentiation, first function e power x by y into differentiation of second, and this is minus 1 by y. One constant, differentiation 0, and differentiation of minus x by y with respect to x is minus 1 by y, plus second function 1 minus x by y, differentiation of e power x by y with respect to x, this is e power x by y into dou by dou x of x by y. So with respect to x, y term constant, write 1 by y as it is, differentiation of x is 1. So simplifying this, we'll get the same, minus x by y square into e power x by y, right? And here the first term and third term cancel, and we'll get minus x by y square into e power x by y, which is equal to dou m by dou y. Therefore the given differential equation is exact. Now to find the general solution, first integrate m with respect to x, treating y constant. So this is integral 1 plus e power x by y dx, and integral 1 dx is x plus integration of e power x by y. So for your clarity, right, I am taking the exponential, let u equal to x by y, then du equal to 1 by y dx, and so dx equal to y du. So therefore integral e power x by y dx equal to integral e power u into y du. This is y e power u, so is y e power x by y. And this is simple, right? Integration of e power ax, treating y constant, right? Here we treat y constant, and the constant term is 1 by y into x. So this takes the form integral e power ax. Integration of e power ax is e power ax by a, that is e power x by y, by a is 1 by y, 1 by 1 by y, so this is y. So x plus y e power x by y. Now the terms in n that do not contain x is 0, that is there are no terms free from x. Therefore form the solution from step 2, this is x plus y e power x by y equal to c. Now logarithmic and trigonometric mixture. Now solve the differential equation, y into 1 plus y 1 by x plus cos y into dx plus x plus log x minus x sin y into dy equal to 0. First check the condition for exactness. M is this coefficient and n equal to coefficient of dy. Dou m by dou y is dou by dou y of y into 1 plus 1 by x plus cos y, right? And the differentiation is 1 plus 1 by x minus sin y. So with respect to y, x term constant, we write the first term as it is, differentiation of y 1 minus sin plus differentiation of cos y minus sin y. Now dou n by dou x is dou by dou x of x plus log x minus x sin y. So with respect to x, y term constant only. So differentiation of x 1 plus log x differentiation 1 by x, and with respect to x the constant term is minus sin y into differentiation of x is 1. Therefore both partial derivatives are equal. Now integrate m with respect to x, integral m dx equal to integral y into 1 plus 1 by x plus cos y into dx, and keeping y constant, right? Keeping y constant. So this is now integration of f of xy plus g of xy dx equal to integral f of xy dx plus integral g of xy dy. So we split into two parts, right? So this is, we write the integral as sum of the two integrals. So this is y integral 1 plus 1 by x dx plus, and since y term is constant, there is no part of integration, so we write cos y as it is and into integral dx. So this is y into integration of 1 x plus integration of 1 by x log x plus x cos y. Now integrate terms of n that are free from x. So there are no terms free from x, because this contains x and this contains x and this contains x. So form the solution from step 2, y into x plus log x plus x cos y equal to c. Thank you.